This is the early stages of the lanternflies. This year I want to try the neem oil to get rid of them. The eggs. You can't see the eggs when they lay the eggs. It's the same color of the bark. It's like a brown. And they put the eggs, sometimes they can lay the eggs anywhere. You know? They suck the tree dry. Grape, they love the grape trees and the rose bush. Nasty looking little things. This one is the grape tree. Try to put some ashes on it. Yep, lanternflies, y'all. Look out for them. I'm gonna try some neem oil and see how that works. And then I'll let y'all know. Check this. Try to kill them. They harmless. They jump. There you go, man. Kill them. They jumped off the branch. They just moved. Yeah, I'll spray them. I'm not gonna make them spread all over.